Hello, everyone. Christian here again. This is our tech, or rather my tech, on DXY. I know some of you will be like, Christian, you've been bearish on this DXY for the longest. Yes, I have been. And I had the right to be in that position, but DXY being DXY. And if we check 2024, they have been in this range, since 2022. Which month? That was in November. Yeah, November 2022. So for 2 good years, this giant has been just playing ping pong with us. They failed to break below 100.0 something, and they failed to go higher than 106.48. They've just been playing in this area for 2 good years. So yeah, and this is on the weekly. Just like on Euro USD, you see this massive move to the upside, and then there came the other bullish candle, but it's not that bullish, but it's still something. My anticipation the previous 2 weeks, it was if they did fail, if they did break these levels, I wanted to see something like, failure there, and then retest here, come down there, then for them to push high. That was my anticipation, but they didn't do that. Rather, they preferred to do ping pong games with us. Came here, went higher. So I would want for them to come a little bit higher, where there's this level of resistance here. That is around 103.97. Then retest or to come and fill this level around 101.29. Then continue to their favorite place to play ping pong with us. That's my anticipation on like that's my overall anticipation now on DXY. Meaning next week I'm bullish on DXY. I am bullish on this pair. So I want them to push higher to those levels and then retest, break and retest. That's how I trade. I trade the breaker, like it breaks, retest, execute, and go. Let's pull down to the daily time frame. We see how they closed here. So on the daily, they kind of seem like they're not sure of what they're doing. The daily, let me delete that. Daily, it's more showing that maybe they've exhausted this move and they just want to come straight and retest these levels because, they broke this level here, broke it. So I would want them to come and retest here and then continue higher. But we'll see how that will go. Me personally, for me to look for, a sell or rather a downward move, I'd want them to push even a little bit further to come here around 103.887. If they come there, then come back and retest here. Let me show you. This is what I'm saying. That move, then that, and then see, it kind of creates a W, for them to go higher. So that's my anticipation on the DXY. But next week, I'm definitely bullish. but there is on the weekly and the daily, they're not coordinating. So those are my two moves. The daily, it's showing me like as if they've just exhausted their move. So they want literally to just fall and then continue higher. But if I come to the weekly time frame, it's like, no, we want to go higher first, there, and then come to retest, then higher. It's kind of the same move, but different. I don't know if you get me. If you get me, well, you understand. So those are my two not 50-50, 60-40. And the 60 one, they wanna go higher. Me, I'm literally seeing them go higher first. Higher, 103.995, then down. So I am bullish on the DXY. Let's just go down to the daily. Okay, no, I've done that. Let's go down to the 4 hours. Yeah, at least the daily and the 4 hours are coordinating. But still, it's still showing us that we're in an uptrend. They're showing us the same thing, the 4-hour. Yeah, right. This is tricky. This is tricky. Great. So, since we are weekly traders, this is literally what the 4 is showing us. There. Yeah. This is a weekly analysis. So this is what the 4-hour is saying. To pull down, maybe create that weekly shadow, and then continue higher. So that's my anticipation. I'm still bullish, but I'm just seeing as if it's just going to pull down a little bit for them to continue higher. The actual target for DXY, for me, taken from records, it's one of 6.44, because they've been in this range for the past two years. So, and they failed to break out of this level. So next target, we all know it is. They're going high now. 106 is the target. As for next week, shadow down, then go to where they want to go. Maybe that, yes. So that's my take on DXY. So yeah, this has been great. I'm doing this on Saturday evening. Yeah. So that's what I'm seeing for next week on in these markets of ours. As usual, do not forget to like and subscribe this video, share it with your friends, and if you want to know what we are up to, you can just click on that notification button so that it can update you on everything that we do upload. And if you want to join us and partner with us, you can join our VIP group, whereby we share our deeply analysis with our members. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, also you can go and follow us on our WhatsApp channel. So yeah, thank you and see you next week.